you from the bottom of our hearts for your poem and for telling us that we should take care of your hearts. We love you. Thank you, Sheila.
I'm 5 years old. I want to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Use Heart for Action. World Heart Day. World Heart Day. World Heart Day. World Heart Day 2024. 29 September is World Heart Day. A day dedicated for heart health globally. A day to reflect on national and global efforts in fighting against CVD. CVD kills more than 20.5 million every year. This is unacceptable. Sadly, we Africans are affected most. 1 in 3 CVD deaths occur in people below 70 years. Do you know CVD risk factors? Let me tell you. They include diabetes, cholesterol, tobacco use, including shisha, high blood pressure, obesity, air pollution, and others. But there is hope. I say there is hope to stop the world #1 killer. The good news is that 80% of CVD deaths are preventable. Heart, yes, heart, yes, heart, yes. Let's use heart to prevent, control, and treat CVD. We salute the World Heart Federation. Thank you. Akpanani. World Heart Day. World Heart Day. World Heart Day. World Heart Day 2024.
Okay. Thank you. 29 September every year is a World Heart Day, and globally the World Heart Federation is the leadership championing heart health. So they selected Ghana to actually celebrate this year's event. The theme for this year is Use Heart for Action. Heart for Action in a sense that we will empower every individual to take care of their heart health, and also to work with government to institute policies that are aimed to promote good heart health across the space. We know the numbers. Of course, globally about 20.5 million people are dying from CVD, and which is unacceptable. Of course, 80% of CVD can be prevented. Hence, of course, our selection of Anlo-Afiadenyigba to hold this year's event here. From data available, it shows that CVD, stroke, hypertension cases are on the rise in Anlo-Afiadenyigba, of course, in Keta district. So, of course, the Stroke Association Support Network Ghana and the Ghana Health Service, Ministry of Health actually collaborated to hold this year's event here through screening exercise, official opening ceremony, which have also brought to fore what we should do to improve about the heart health of all people living in Anlo-Afiadenyigba. So, of course, our intention to empower every person living in Ghana to be sure as to how we can prevent CVD, especially knowing the risk factors like excess intake of alcohol, tobacco smoking, of course, physical inactivity. These are the major causes, and we are aware that the youth are engaged in smoking of shisha. Shisha is common. People are smoking. All these are the risk factors leading to CVD. So, of course, our intention to drum up what we need to do in order to reduce CVD across the space. Yeah.
Jean-Luc Aizalet, I'm the CEO of the World Heart Federation based in Geneva, Switzerland. Every year we celebrate World Heart Day on 29th of September, and it's a big event which reaches over 100 million people worldwide. Last year we went to Ecuador, the year before to Philippines, and we said we need to go to Africa because that's so important. There's so much to do in terms of cardiovascular health. And then which country to choose? Then Ghana, because we had so much good partners there, members working, celebrating World Heart Day every year. And I think the success of today shows that it was the right choice. It makes a difference for this community and for the people of Ghana, and we're very happy with the support and the event which was organized here.
Yeah, so my name is Emmanuel Corner, the Municipal Director of Health Service, Keta. We were privileged to be chosen to commemorate the World Heart Day celebration 2024, and myself and my team were extremely glad, and we are very grateful to the team for choosing us. It has come at a very good time. We all know cardiovascular diseases are sometimes called silent killers because most of our people may not even know that they have the condition, especially our fishermen, our farmers, and our traders. But with this opportunity granted us and the resources they have brought, you can see at the background that we will be screening a lot of people, and it will help us to pick those of them who have the condition and manage it appropriately. Currently, cardiovascular diseases forms part of our top 10 causes of sicknesses. We call it morbidity, top 10 causes of sicknesses in the municipality every year. And that means the numbers are increasing. And you know, the complications are always dire. We have complications like stroke, end-stage renal kidney disease, which may end up in dialysis and other things. And you know how expensive it is to survive on that. If the people also end up with things like diabetes and the like, and it's not properly detected early and treated adequately, it may give them blindness and many other complications, including heart problems. So for us, we are extremely happy because the reason why I am paid is because I have to make sure everybody in the municipality is healthy and sound. So if somebody is coming from somewhere to come and help me to do what I'm supposed to do, I think I have nothing but to rather be extremely grateful to the fellow. I want to also thank the media for the coverage you've given us. We are extremely grateful for your support and always be coming to our aid anytime we call on you. Thank you very much.
Matilda Dokken. Mesabo happy screen woga. Egba mava. Koi mava. Opong boro chonchinya. Nama like eba nya program ala fine. Eba nya BP la high. Ni man lo domu. Tajo ma check. Nyumru play. Problem wakata afi matin don lo po jema tamna na mafafi agbaru manya mbubu ajo ta la fine I like it.